Well, after a pretty cold day across our area, we will be seeing those temperatures moderate a little bit as we go into the weekend, and we'll get closer to 40 degrees for the afternoon temperatures Saturday and Sunday, but still looking at the chance for some precipitation early Saturday morning in the form of some rain and snow showers, maybe even some freezing drizzle early on in the morning. So if you are traveling overnight and towards your Saturday morning, definitely use a little caution on those roadways. If you see a little bit of a glassy glaze on the roadways, that could be some, ice on the roadway. So be mindful of that here in Providence. Showing you the Highway Bridge. Again, things looking okay for now. Similar story out here in Lincoln. The clouds are building in though, and again, some rain and snow showers after midnight and towards tomorrow morning. Temperatures right now in the 20s for the most part, 30 over in Newport, 26 in New Bedford. We should stay at or below freezing overnight into tomorrow morning. That's why that icy threat is there for some locations. Not looking at a widespread issue, but certainly, again, a few spots could be slick early tomorrow morning. The wide view shows storm system 2 hours south. This will be pulling away from us, but what it's going to do is throw back a little bit of moisture as we go into tomorrow, and that'll give us, again, the chance for a few rain and snow showers. Three key things: watch out for that patchy freezing drizzle overnight. Again, any kind of reflection you see on the roadways could be some ice. Light snow, rain showers early Saturday morning. I think we're drier for the afternoon, and then both days not nearly as cold as what we just saw 4 hour daytime hours today. Now, satellite and radar again showing that storm system for the most part pulling away, but we're going to be seeing some precipitation form again. Really scattered stuff we're talking about, not a widespread issue as we head into tomorrow. But we can time things out. We'll go overnight, seeing the clouds here, of course, temperatures 20s and 30s overnight into early tomorrow morning. Here's 2 a.m. Still seeing the clouds, but notice as we go towards about 6, 7 o'clock in the morning, you have your snow showers here, a little bit of a mixing across South County, and then of course plain rain out towards Block Island. But again, this is a quick hitting system here, not going to be around for the entire day. 11 a.m. similar story. The further north you are, the better chance you'll be seeing of those wintry-like conditions. Perhaps even some locations could see a quick coating of snow as this pushes on through. Then you can see that as temperatures are above freezing along the coastline, we're looking at just a plain kind of chilly rain for parts of the daytime hours. But then that activity, it moves itself away. We dry things out for the afternoon and evening, and then looking at those skies clearing out for Saturday night and into Sunday. I do think clouds went out for a good part of Sunday, but we should stay dry. So any kind of sunshine that we do see on Sunday will be, of course, limited to the early morning hours, and then those clouds just kind of hang around through the entire day. But again, not seeing any indications of any kind of precipitation for Sunday. For tomorrow morning, again, a few rain and snow showers expected. Those percentages about 10, 15, even 20%, so not a widespread issue. But again, where it does fall, there could be some slick spots, especially further north inland where the temperatures will be colder. Notice the gradual trend here. Those temperatures do rise above freezing later in the morning and into the afternoon, topping out near about 40 degrees or so for the second half of the day as that drier trend takes over. Now, 7-day forecast, we are watching a series of chances of some precip as some Alberta clippers track on through in that 7-day forecast. Again, one will be for the overnight hours into tomorrow, and then another one later Tuesday into Wednesday, then Wednesday night into Thursday. Again, all bring the chance for some rain and or snow showers. And you can see that temperature trend kind of up and down next several days.
All right, Stephen, thank you. Coming up next.